Alright guys, so we're back. I'm Edwin, Susanna, just living it up, and we're here in Anaheim, heading up the Anaheim packing district area. So you'll be seeing us kind of just jumping around different spots. And one thing that I didn't even know is it's not just the Anaheim packing district building, but just little other spots around the whole neighborhood as well. So
Posted a map so you can see.
yeah, so stay tuned as we'll be kind of showing you a little bit about that.
I was gonna go, amen. Just kidding.
Amen. Yeah. You picked to eat ramen on the hottest day, huh?
Feels good in my soul. And I added like hot paste to it.
Spicy?
It's not super spicy, but it's spicy. It smelled like buffalo.
Interesting. You gonna share? Oh.
What are you eating?
It's called the orange Thai roll. It's pretty cool because it has like a citrus taste to it. Very light too. I gotta get my chopstick game strong.
That's why I'm using a fork to eat ramen, because I'm too lazy to use chopsticks.
You're doing good though. Sushi makes me happy.
We are at the Orange Poke Healthy Bowl.
Do you feel like you're eating healthy?
I don't know, but it tastes good. That's what counts.
So one thing that's pretty cool about this place is there is about, give or take, about maybe 20, 30 vendors. So, and ranging from all different aspects of food. So from pizza to Asian cuisine to barbecue, burgers. So if you're with a big group and everybody's like, oh, I want this or I want that, just come here and then everybody can just kind of disperse and figure out what they want to eat.
And there's bars too.
There's what?
Bars.
Oh,
and, like,
bars.
places to get drinks.
Dude, hands down, yeah. Cool bars here. Yeah, I've seen quite a few actually.
I've seen people with milk tea too.
Yeah, milk tea. There's even like little vendors selling like little trinkets of I don't know, like jewelry, things like that. I'm pretty sure in the back over here somewhere they got like candles and soaps and stuff like that. So definitely diversing this place, or diversible. Is that how I say it? Diverse?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
But it's family friendly.
Yeah. Wear your mask. So you got the spicy, tangy one and the regular non.
What's it called again? The frozen palirita. Which
Palirita.
contains white wine, orange, lemon, lime, and agave. Perfect for a hot day.
It's the best.
It's good. It's not spicy. I guess that depends on
On the person.
yeah, on the spice someone can